Hi, could you help me better understand car insurance? I'm still learning the details.
Of course. Motor insurance can be broken down into two main types: third-party liability and comprehensive coverage.
I've heard of those, but could you explain them more clearly?
Sure. Third-party liability is the minimum insurance required by law. It covers damages or injuries you cause to others, but not your own car. On the other hand, comprehensive coverage covers third-party damages and also protects your vehicle against accidents, theft, fire, and even vandalism.
So, comprehensive is more complete. But it's more expensive, right?
Yes, comprehensive policies cost more because they offer broader coverage. Many prefer it for peace of mind since it covers more risks, such as accidental damage to your car or theft.
What factors affect premiums?
Several factors influence premiums: age and driving history, location, vehicle type, car usage, and optional add-ons like roadside assistance or windshield coverage.
I've seen the term excess mentioned a lot. What exactly does it mean?
The excess is the amount the policyholder must pay out of pocket before the insurer covers the rest. There are two types: compulsory excess set by the insurer and voluntary excess chosen by the policyholder to reduce premiums.
Should customers always choose the lowest premium?
Not necessarily. A low premium might mean limited coverage or a high excess. It's important to balance affordability with adequate coverage, especially for things like legal expenses or personal injury.
What should customers keep in mind when making a claim?
They should report the claim to their insurer as soon as possible and provide all necessary details, like photos or police reports. A common mistake is not reviewing exclusions in their policy, such as driving under the influence, which would likely void a claim.
Are there any recent trends in motor insurance?
Yes, there's a growing focus on usage-based insurance, UBI, which adjusts premiums based on driving behavior tracked by telematics. This can reward safe drivers with lower premiums. Additionally, as electric vehicles, EVs, become more popular, insurers are developing specialized policies for them.